Today I would like to unbox the Nordgreen Chronograph that I just bought few weeks ago, and this is an incredible watch, beautiful. It's a watch that got a very important design award, which is the Red Dot Design Award, and it's done in Denmark. For those that don't know Nordgreen company, it's it is really nice, well done, beautiful packaging. And so as you can see, let's go get it. Okay, so I'll try to make sure that you can see how this watch, how beautiful, classy, elegant, sporty this watch is. Okay, take this off, maybe it's better, so you can see how it is finished. You can see also here the section, which is pretty nice, the way it's in the back with their logo. Okay, but let's see a little bit so here we have the day, okay, the date of the day. But what I really like, it's design. The design is really nice. The sections, the way the glass is done, it's a sapphire, and how solid the watch is. You can see also here in the back the way it's made. This is a quartz, okay, so it's not an automatic. Also, its weight is pretty much nice, and I suggest you to, if you like it, you should buy it. I will put the link of this company, watch company, in the description. And this watch is designed by designer Jacob Wagner from Denmark. It's a typical Denmark design, contemporary design, very solid, very nice. It's very nice also the way it's conceived in the detailing. You can see that it is really well done. We can see that there is a designer behind the conception of this watch. Also, the internal part of the display, you can see there are two different type of sections there, and this paint job on the display, it's really nice. It's really well done. It's not just pure white, and they have several different type of combination of those this watch. Okay, I have another one I will show you in the next video, okay, which is pinkish, metal, and very dark blue. So it has a very nice contrast with different type of bracelet, okay, wristwatch. And this is really nice. It works really well, as you can see. Then you press the two buttons and it opens up. I had to modify one of those elements. I had to take off because it was too big for my wrist, and it was pretty easy to do it. Okay, now I can show you how it wears for me. So the size is pretty nice. Okay, I'll tell you which is the size as we can check together. Okay, here we are at least 42. Okay, 42 diameter, which is a very nice. It is a very nice size for men, at least for a wrist like mine. Okay, and it is really. I find it really elegant. Really elegant and sporty at the same time. And then the thing that for me it's really a plus, a real plus, that this is a watch that is has a classy design, but it's really different from all the watches that look like this one, like with the white background, aluminium, with the bracelet in stainless steel. The graphics, the detailing, the way they did the internal part. This is really different, and this is very tasty. really nice. Now the price is 279 euros. Okay, you can buy directly on their website. Okay, you can buy it on the website, and you will get it in 3 days. Basically, I got it in 3 days without extra cost. Okay, so it's really nice. There are some shops that sell Nordgreen. Okay, but in this case with COVID and everything, I preferred just to go and buy it via internet directly on their website, which is very trustful. So if you like it, you know, for your collection, well, why not? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this channel will propose more videos about watches and other stuff review. Thank you very much. Bye.